Hey guys, 6 in the morning, we're in the van. Today we're headed to Field of Dreams Motocross Park in Millville, New Jersey. I'm going to be getting a gas bike soon. So back here, we have our MX650, which we're going to be putting to the test before it goes to rest. Let's rock. As you see, we're here at Field of Dreams in Millville, New Jersey, and we got plenty of people here. I'm going to be riding my Razor MX 650 to put it to the test. I'm going to be riding on the small track just because
not that fast.
So, here she is, the Razor MX 650. She's done me well, transitioning to a gas bike soon, but don't get me wrong, this bike's great. It's electric, so it's very quiet. I can ride it anywhere I want. And it's also very dependable. Well, except for the time I broke my rear shock last summer. I replaced it with this DNM Air Hyper 4-way adjustable rear mountain bike shock. Whoop! Let's rock! Alright guys, we finally had a go-go juice. Ran great today. Got some big hills, monster jumps. Felt great, felt tight. That DNM shock did its job. I'll see you later on Shane's Garage. Shane, this is a very big jump today. You think you have what it takes to make this?
I was born ready, Bob. I've been riding since I was 2 months old. Dead Man's Curve's gonna be nothing.
Shane, who are your sponsors this season?
I'm riding with Razor this season. My setup's good, my suspension, and my tires are good. It seems like everything that they have right now is good.
Thanks for the support. If you like my videos, please be sure to like and subscribe.